We need to check the throttle body for cleanliness. To do this, we need to remove the air duct clamp. Here you can see that there's some buildup, carbon deposits, black on the sides, and around the perimeter of the throttle body. It needs to be cleaned. We take a carburetor cleaner and put it on the tube that is included. We start the engine and begin the cleaning. With this cleaner, in addition to the throttle body, we can also clean the entire intake manifold from carbon buildup inside. We start the car and, while revving the engine, we inject the liquid in there. If you don't rev the engine, the car will stall due to a lack of air. So, it's important to keep revving the engine, either with a helper or by yourself. After such manipulations, it is clear that the throttle body is much cleaner now. Most of the carbon buildup is gone. We put the air hose back in place with the clamp and check its operation. The RPMs have stabilized. There was gas, nothing is sucked in. It's running smoothly. Now we need to give it a little gas and check the responsiveness. The gas pedals After such a simple procedure, the car's idle RPMs have stabilized. It smoothly drops the RPMs and then quickly accelerates. This is what we need.